Fun fact, baju ni baju yang mama belikan untuk papa masa dia orang muda dulu. And another fun fact is seluar juita belikan. But anyways, today nak nyanyi satu lagu. This week have been a mind opening week. Penat. Life too short to even care at all. Whoa. Losing my mind, losing control. Oh, the switches in his head, staring at me. Whoa. Where will ache for a bit of a drum. Whoa. If I could find a way to see this street, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. There's only Adam there looking for my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Dark world ache for a pleasure of the sun. Whoa. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run to the thing they say good. Orlando. Apa nak nyanyi? Fuck you. Fuck you, seriously, fuck you.